అన్నయ్యనా? Okay, thank you. So ask everyone to join now. Ask everyone. Today I want to discuss total 12 models. Only 4 done. 12 models, very important models I want to discuss. Please ask everyone to join again immediately. Ask everyone to join again. Yes, thank you. Ask everyone to join again immediately, fast. Now the video is clear? My voice clear? Is my voice clear, children? Okay, ask everyone to join immediately. Okay, now, so we are discussing about middle term. See, children, when the number of terms are even, we'll get 2 middle terms. When the number of terms are odd, we'll get only 1 middle term in arithmetic progression. దీన్ని స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ ని కలుపుమాకండి. స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ లో ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ ఉంటే వాటికి యావరేజ్ తీయాలి మిడిల్ టర్మ్ కావాలంటే. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ అట్లా కాదు. మిడిల్ టర్మ్ అంటే 2 టర్మ్స్ చెప్పాలి. ఇక్కడ అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ లో మిడిల్ టర్మ్స్ అంటే యు హావ్ టు సే బోత్. ఓకేనా? I explained it. See, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. సో ఈ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ లో మిడిల్ టర్మ్ ఏమవుతుంది? ఈ రెండు మిడిల్ టర్మ్స్ అవుతాయి. 15 and 20 are the middle terms of this progression. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there are 6 numbers. Okay, children? Now, we'll go ahead with the next model. Actually, we are in 12 models discuss chedam anukunna. 12. Next question. Find the 8th term of AP from the end of the progression. Find the 8th term of AP from the end. 7, 10, 13, so on 184. ఈ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ లో 8th టర్మ్ కావాలి. we need to find out 8th టర్మ్. అయితే ఇక్కడ ఒక ట్విస్ట్ ఉంది. ఏమిటి ఆ ట్విస్ట్ అంటే we need to find out 8th టర్మ్ from the end. 8th టర్మ్ from the end. బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. not from the beginning. From the end we need to find out. Okay na? Are you ready? No. A plus 17 है ఇక్కడ d లోనే తేడా ఉంటుంది. రెడీయా? Are you ready? Okay, right. Now what is A? 7. What is D? 10 minus 7, 3. 10 minus 7, 3. Okay na? Now we are going to find out 8th term from the end. So what we have to take? A as 184, because A as 184. We have to find out 8th term from the end. So this is A, and common difference becomes -3. Common difference. ఇటు నుంచి from the beginning D is positive. So from the end D is negative. That is what you have to understand. Beginning నుంచి D పాజిటివ్ అయితే ఎండింగ్ నుంచి D నెగటివ్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? మిగతాదంతా మామూలు. A8, A plus 7D. A ఎంత? 184. 7 into -3. 184 minus 21. 163. So 163 is the 8th term from the end. Okay na? మరి ఇక్కడ ఈ A7 D3 అనేది తీసేయాలి కదా, మనకు అక్కర్లేదు కదా. ఇది అక్కర్లేదు కదా. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్తున్నా చూడండి చిల్డ్రన్. This is the progression and we need to find out nth term, eighth term from the end. So from the end అన్నాడు కాబట్టి this is 184, we have to take it as first term, and the common difference, from the beginning it is positive and from the end we have to take negative. So common difference negative 3. So automatic a8 is equal to a plus 70, substitute the values, find out. Important model. Okay na? Next question. What is the question? Is 184 a term of AP? Is 184 a term of AP 3, 7, 11, 15 so on, or not? This is the question. Is 184 a term of this AP or not? This is what we have to say. అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి, ఎవరైనా చెప్తారా? What we have to do? ఏం చేయాలి? Any idea? Is 184 a term of 3, 7, 11, 15 so on? బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. మనం మన రిలేటివ్స్కి ఇంటికి వెళ్ళామనుకోండి, లేదా ఒక ఫ్రెండ్ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళామనుకోండి. ఆ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇంటికి వెళ్తే మనకు అక్కడ ఒక 5 కనపడ్డారు అనుకోండి. ఓకే, 5 కనపడ్డారు. దాంట్లో 3 మనకు తెలుసు, మిగతా 2 తెలియదు. వెంటనే వాళ్ళు ఎవరు, మీ ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళైనా కాదా, మీ రిలేటివ్సా, లేకపోతే మీ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్సా కాదా అని అడుగుతాం కదా. అట్లాగే ఈ అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్లో 184 అనేది is it a term of this AP or not? That is what we have to see. Is 184 a term of this AP or not? That is what we have to find out. So దానికి మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే, let an is equal to 184. Let an is equal to 184. A plus n minus 1 into d is 184. 3 plus n minus 1 into d 4 is 184. n minus 1 times of 4 is equal to 184 minus 3, 183. 181, sorry, 181 7 minus 4 is that 184, yes, 181. So n minus 1 is equal to 181 by 4. What is 181 by 4, right? What is 181 by 4? Can anyone say? 181 by 4, how much it is? 181 by 4, how much it is? Divide. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. So what we get? N minus 1 is equal to 45.25. N is equal to 46.25. కానీ n అంటే నంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ కదా. n అంటే నంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ ఎక్కడన్నా డెసిమల్ లో ఉంటాయా? నంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ ఎక్కడన్నా డెసిమల్ లో ఉంటాయా? నో. So 184 is not a term of this AP. That is what you have to write. No, n can't be in decimals. because n is the number of terms. So 184 is not a term of this AP. That is what you have to understand. Important model, good model. I thought to complete 12 models today. So you have to be little bit patient today so that I can complete all the models. Next question. Which term of AP 121, 117, 113, so on? Which term of AP 121, 117, 113, so on is its first negative term? First negative term. Important model. Higher order thinking. Make it hard. This is hard. Higher order thinking question. ఈ AP చూడండి డిక్రీజింగ్ AP ఇది డిక్రీజింగ్ AP తగ్గుతున్నాయి టర్మ్స్ 121 117 113 so on అంటే ఇలా ఈ టర్మ్స్ when you are going on like this writing the terms మనకి ఎక్కడైనా ఖచ్చితంగా నెగటివ్ టర్మ్స్ కూడా వస్తాయి నెగటివ్ టర్మ్స్ కూడా వస్తాయి ఓకేనా అయితే ఫస్ట్ నెగటివ్ టర్మ్ ఎన్నో టర్మ్ which one is they are not asking which one is the first negative term, they are asking what is the first negative term, which means n they are asking. బాగా అర్థం చేసుకోండి and understand the question properly. Which term of AP is first negative term? Which term of this AP is first negative term? Let it be AN. AN is equal to 0 అని తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. AN is equal to 0 తీసుకుంటే 0 is neither negative nor positive. Neutral term కదా రైట్. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ n అంటే ఈ 0 11th టర్మ్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి. అంటే A11 is equal to 0 వచ్చింది అనుకోండి. A11 is equal to 0 అంటే 11th term is 0 ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి. అప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ నెగటివ్ టర్మ్ ఏమిటవుతుంది? ఫస్ట్ నెగటివ్ టర్మ్ ఏమిటవుతుంది? అర్థం కాలేదా? Did you understand or not? In this AP, suppose I am taking AN is equal to 0. AN is equal to 0. అంటే ఇది డిక్రీజింగ్ కదా ఎక్కడో 0 వస్తుంది అనుకున్నాం కాసేపు 0. ఈ 0 తర్వాత వచ్చేది నెగటివ్ టర్మేగా నెక్స్ట్ టర్మ్ నెగటివ్ టర్మేగా నేనేం చేస్తానంటే I will find out this 0 is which term. 0 is which term? Suppose 0 is 11th term, then 12th term is first negative term. This is my idea. Understand children? Okay, let me explain that one. I am taking AN is equal to 0. So A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 0. 121 plus n minus 1 into D is negative 4 is 0. N minus 1 is equal to n minus 1 times of minus 4 is equal to minus 121. So n minus 1 is equal to negative 121 by negative 4. Negative 121 by negative 4. How much it is? 4 3s are 12. 0 1 0 0. Okay na? 0.0 4 2s are 8. 2.4 5s. So what you will get? N minus 1 is equal to negative 30.25. N is equal to negative 31 point negative cancel, sorry, 31.25. 31.25. Now children, you understand. అంటే 0 అనేది 0 is the 31th term of this AP is near to 0. Is near to 0. 30. Forget about this decimal. Since first let us understand 30 n we got 31.25. That means 0 is not a term of this AP. 0 is not a term of this AP. First that one is clear. Next one. But if you observe n, 31th term is near to 0. 31th term is very much near to 0. Okay na? That means 32nd term is first negative term. That's all. 32nd term is first negative term. ఇది అర్థం కావాలి. టిపికల్ మోడల్. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి. ఈ ఏపీ లో ఫస్ట్ నెగటివ్ టర్మ్ ఏమిటి అని అడిగారు. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ నెగటివ్ టర్మ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఏపీ? what I am considering, since this is a decreasing AP, first I am observing that whether 0 is a term of this AP or not. Whether 0 is a term of this AP or not. Why? Because if I found, for example, if I found 0 is a certain term, let it be a, if 0 is a term of this AP, then after 0 whatever the term may be is there, that is the negative term. అంతేనా? కానీ ఇక్కడ మనకి 0, we observe that 0 is not a term of this AP. But even then 0 is not a term of this AP. But 31st term is very much near to 0. Very much near to 0. That means 32nd term is the first negative term. 32nd term is the first negative term. That is what you have to understand. Any doubt in this? Any doubt? No confusion unda? లేదా అంటే ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీస్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీస్ మీకు లేవు కదా, అందుకని అక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి. రైట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫస్ట్ స్టాండర్డ్ టు 10th స్టాండర్డ్ మీకు ఎక్కడ ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీస్ లేవు, అందువల్ల ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీస్ జోలికి వెళ్ళాలి. నో సార్, ఈశాన్ యూ డిడ్ంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్. ఓకే, వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐ వాంట్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. సి ఈశాన్, observe this progression. 121, 117, 113, so on. It is a decreasing AP because D is negative. Okay na? ఈ ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ లో in this pattern, shall we get negative terms or not? Ishan, you tell me. Shall we get negative terms or not? We'll get negative terms, na? Okay. Now, which term is the first negative term? Not which term. Again, that is my fault. Which term is not which term, which term is first negative term? 10th term, 15th term, 20th term. Which one is the first negative term? Okay na? That means we need to find out n. Sir, 32nd term is first negative term, whether 23rd is first negative term. That is what you have to understand. So for that what I am doing is I am considering 0. I am assuming that in this progression 0 is also there, and that one I am taking it as an is equal to 0, and I found that n is 31.25. n is 31.25. Okay na? n is 31.25. Okay, that means 0 is very much near to 0. 31st term is very much near to 0. That means 32nd term is first negative term. Then this is what I want to say. You said that I understand. Then no problem, I am going ahead with the next one. Next one I will go. Uh, 10 times the 10th term of AP equal to 15 times the 15th term. 10 times the 10th term of AP equal to 15 times the 15th term. Find, prove that 25th term is 0. Prove that 25th term is 0. This is the question. 10 times the 10th term of AP is 15 times the 15th term. Prove that 25th term is 0. So 10 into A10 is equal to 15 into A15. 10 into A10 means A plus 9D. 15 into A plus 14D. Simplify. 10A, 90D, 15A. 15 into 14, how much that? 15 into 14. Anyone? 210. The Seba. 15 into 14, 210. Now simplify. 210D, sorry. Now, send all these terms to that side. 15A minus 10A. 210D minus 90D is equal to 0. 5A plus 120D. 5A plus 120D is equal to 0. Divide with 5. A plus 24D is equal to 0. Children, you tell me what is A plus 24D? What is A plus 24D? What is 24D, children? Anyone say? What is 24D? 25th term. That's all. Now, I am generalizing this one. M times the nth term equal to n times the nth term. Then what is your conclusion? What is your conclusion, children? I am generalizing this problem. 10 times the 10th term equal to 15 times the 15th term, then 25th term is 0. Now you tell me, if m times the nth term equal to n times the nth term, then what is your conclusion? Anyone? 0. Which term is 0? Which term is 0, Shanvi? M plus nth term is 0. M plus nth term is 0. See, 10 plus 15, 25. 10 plus 15, 25. So, m plus nth term is 0. M plus nth term is 0. 10 times the 10th term equal to 15 times the 15th term. Then 25th term is 0. In the same way, if I ask like this, 7 times the 7th term equal to 3 times the 3rd term, then 10th term is 0. Because 7 plus 3, 10. So m times nth term is equal to n times nth term, then m plus nth term is 0. This is what you have to understand. Next question. Last question for today. Last question. Last question for today, children. How many numbers are there in between 101 and 999 which are divisible by both 2 and 5? both 2 and 5. How many terms are there between 101 and the 9999 which are divisible by both 2 and 5? What is the first number? What is the first number? It should be divided by 2 and 5 both. Between 101 and 99. Anyone, children? What is the first number? 110. Very good. 110. Next, 120, 130, so on. Last one. Last one. It should be very good. Very good, Neha. Last one is 990. Last one is 990. What we have to calculate? What we have to calculate? Question is, how many terms of 80? How many terms are there between 101 and 999? Both are that should be divided by both 2 and 5. Yes, n control, right. A is 110, D is 10, AN is 990. You need to find out n value. 110, 10, n minus 1 times of 10 is equal to 990 minus 110. Enta 880. N minus 1 is equal to 880 by 10. 88. N is equal to 89. N is equal to 89. That means there are 89 terms between 101 and 999 which are divisible by both 2 and 5. Both 2 and 5. Understand, children? Okay. So this is the last one for today. Okay, na? I took 13 minutes more because of internet issues. Tomorrow you need to join sharply at 10 o'clock. Okay, na? We'll go ahead with some more models which are very, very important. Okay, na? Okay, thank you. Dhanyavad. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. You can leave now. Thank you.